Plant family, 30 genera in Pteridaceae. Exploring the Pteridaceae family, a personal journey. As I dive into the captivating world of ferns, I find myself particularly drawn to the Pteridaceae family. This family of ferns has intrigued me for years, not only because of its beautiful varieties, but also due to its fascinating biological traits. In this article, I want to share my journey with the Pteridaceae family, focusing on its genera, characteristics, and why these ferns deserve a spot in every plant enthusiast collection. Understanding the Pteridaceae family. The Pteridaceae family is one of the most diverse groups of ferns, consisting of about 60 genera and more than 1,200 species. This family includes various types of ferns, commonly known for their delicate fronds and unique reproductive systems. The Pteridaceae family can be found in almost every corner of the globe, thriving in diverse habitats from tropical rainforests to temperate woodlands. Ferns, including those in the Pteridaceae family, reproduce via spores rather than seeds. This fascinating reproductive strategy has always intrigued me. Instead of flowers, these ferns produce sporangia, small structures that release spores. This process emphasizes the unique biology of ferns and sets them apart from flowering plants. Pteris. Pteris is perhaps the most recognized genus within the Pteridaceae family. Known for its feather-like fronds, Pteris species are incredibly versatile and can adapt to a range of environments. I've found Pteris tremula, with its striking green fronds, to be a highlight in my indoor garden. This genus features species that are not only ornamental but also resilient, making them ideal for beginners. Adiantum, often called maidenhair ferns, is another genus that has won my heart. The delicate, fan-shaped fronds of Adiantum species are stunning and bring an air of elegance to any space. My favorite, Adiantum capillus veneris, is known for its glossy leaves and graceful appearance. I love placing it in shaded areas, where it thrives without direct sunlight. 244 species in genus Adiantum, maidenhair fern. See full list at monsteraholic.com. Growing Pteridaceae family members. Caring for ferns in the Pteridaceae family has taught me a great deal about plant care. These ferns typically prefer humid environments and indirect light. I've noticed that keeping the soil consistently moist, but not soggy, is crucial for their health. I often mist my ferns or use a humidity tray to maintain the right moisture levels. Additionally, I've learned the importance of proper drainage. Using a well-draining potting mix can prevent root rot, a common issue for ferns. Regularly checking for pests and maintaining cleanliness in the surrounding area helps ensure my ferns remain healthy and vibrant. The importance of Pteridaceae in our ecosystem. Beyond their aesthetic appeal, Pteridaceae ferns play a significant role in our ecosystem. They contribute to soil health by preventing erosion and enhancing biodiversity. I've come to appreciate how these ferns provide habitat and food for various wildlife, including insects and small mammals. Conclusion. My journey with the Pteridaceae family has been nothing short of rewarding. The diverse genera, each with its unique characteristics, continue to inspire me as a plant enthusiast. Whether it's the graceful Adiantum or the resilient Nephrolepis, each fern adds a special touch to my life. As I continue to learn and grow alongside these plants, I invite you to explore the world of Pteridaceae and discover the beauty and benefits they offer. Embrace the wonders of ferns and let them enhance your living spaces just as they have mine.